Hello all and welcome to Tech Corner hosted by Nude Computer Guys. My name is Alex and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up an email signature using Outlook. So if you aren't sure what Outlook is, it is an email application provided by Microsoft for free, so you do not need a subscription or have to pay for Office in order to use this. Now, if you're like, hey, how do I go about even setting up an email? You can check out my YouTube video regarding that up in the upper right hand corner of the screen, and that will walk you through setting it up. But for an email signature, it adds a little bit more of a, telling people who you are and all that, and how to get in contact with you additionally if they need to. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and jump in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Outlook here on our screen. So I already have Outlook pinned, but if you don't have Outlook pinned, you can always go to Start and type in Outlook and open it up that way. And from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click on the little gear wheel in the upper right hand corner. And then right below email account, you're going to see signatures. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now I already have a signature, so I'm going to add a new signature for, let's say, holiday. So I'm going to hit new signature and call it Christmas. And we're going to go ahead and go to Christmas. Okay, I want to go to images. I can get an image. Let's say I want that. So I'm going to go ahead and say make a copy of an image. Let's see if it will allow me to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do paste. So you can either right click and hit paste. The other option, if you want to use a keyboard command, you can hit Control V. And let's see if we can actually, yes, we can actually shrink our Christmas tree, because that is a very, very big Christmas tree and I don't want it taking up that much space. So I've got that. So now what I can do is I'm going to go down below. Alex. Let's do a little pipe symbol here. Ooh, where's our pipe symbol? Oh, I can do a dash. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So now I have should have two signatures. The signatures. I can flip between the signatures if I want. And then let's say I want to go ahead and have that automatically show up whenever I compose an email. So you have two options down below. You can either say whenever creating a new email, or I want to have my signature automatically show up whenever I reply. So the reply sometimes is a good thing. Sometimes it can increase an email, especially if you have a really long signature. That can definitely make email longer, especially if you're emailing back and forth. So it's really kind of up to you. You can always enable it, and then if you decide, I don't want to have it show up whenever I reply every single time, you can turn that off, and you can just manually turn on your signature, or manually select your signature when you're in the email. So, but I always do recommend at least having it for whenever composing a new email. So I'm going to go ahead and select my Christmas one. And I hit that. Cool. So now I can go ahead and close out the window. And now I can click on New Email. And if I go to Tech Corner, okay. So as you can see, when I created a new email, it automatically showed up my signature. So if I hit send, then I should get a response back here in just a second. And you can, if you want to kind of refresh, for those of you that, in the olden days you had, with pop emails, you had to manually refresh it, or it would automatically refresh every like 10 minutes. It wasn't instant. If you want to do that within Outlook and you're like, okay, I'm expecting an email and you just want to kind of force it to do that, you can always click on view and hit sync. And it's going to kind of do that reply/send thing. So it's going to kind of push that. So there we go. So there's my email. And of course it got failed because I probably mistyped it. But if I hit reply, let's do this. If I hit reply all, you'll see my signature show up in the reply all as well. And you can always, for example, if let's say you disable that, but you kind of want to have your signature show up just for that specific reply. You can do that by clicking on the little signature up here, kind of right next to the attachment and the link, hyperlink, and you can just pick your signature and it will just automatically populate in that email. So hopefully you found this video to be informative. If you liked it, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe. For those that have subscribed, thank you so much, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much.